Hi and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Knitted for Use Motif community site. Let's get inspired, knit and create beautiful knitting motifs. I start with the inspiration by clicking on the Start Searching. Here we see the existing motifs, both traditional and new ones, that shows the creativity of our members. Look around and be inspired. I like this motif with the wheels and I click on that, and now I can see a larger image of the motif as if it has been knitted. I see how big this motif is and I can check how big it will be if I knit with different knitting tension. Click on the Other and write your numbers. You can get the traditional knitting chart from below the preview. And you can also use our line by line interactive chart from here. The line that you need will be highlighted and you can see how many stitches of different colors you need below the chart, so you don't need to count, just to read. You can play around with the colors. I have a separate tutorial about how this works, so please check it for more details. You can also create, edit and share own motifs by clicking on Add New Motif up here. You can resize your motif, you can upload an image to work with, you can draw with different tools and check how it looks when knitted. You can save the motif as draft or publish it so that everybody else can use it. I explain how the design tool works in detail in the video tutorial how the design tool works. You are always welcome to get in touch if you have some feedback or question. This website helps me a lot in my knitting, so I hope you will use and enjoy it too. Thank you!